Hello everyone, I'm Kevin from CrownCraft. Welcome to the channel. I'm a licensed pharmacist and I'm here to help you regain control over your hair loss. I noticed that there's simply a ton of information out there about this subject, and a lot of it is great, but there's also a lot of misinformation. What I want to do is to cut through the noise and give you the evidence-based, honest truth about what works, what doesn't, and what might be kind of in the middle. But to back up for a moment, I know that there is a deeper philosophical thread here that most people might not want to touch on. And that's the fact that there's a ton of negative energy that can get entangled into your hair or your lack of it, right? Your sense of identity is tied up in this. There can be a deep insecurity and also a sense of powerlessness over everything. What if all of this takes longer than expected, or things don't go as well as planned? Or hell, what if nothing seems to be working? I can relate to a lot of these feelings because at one point or another I've been there, and I want to help you move past that and beyond the surface level stuff and do some of that deeper work that is needed to rebuild the self-image that you've lost, because your crown is more than the hair on your head. If you're interested in hearing more, you know what to do. Kevin out.